Hello, lovely people. Welcome once again to Abenasia's recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you sauteed green beans with mushrooms, healthy and delicious side dish that is perfect for weeknight or holiday side dish. I have a pound and a half of green beans, one medium-sized onion, dry rosemary, fresh thyme, garlic, a pound of mushrooms. I have black pepper, salt, and olive oil. I've put a pot of water on which I'll be using to steam my green beans. I'll begin to trim or snap off the tough stems of the beans. You can use scissors to cut them off, or you can just use a knife on a cutting board and just trim them off. You can also put a bunch together and cut it with the scissors. You can do that on the cutting board as well. And then I'll use my knife to cut the green beans in pieces. You can leave them whole. I'll be enjoying this with my kids, so I like to make it kid friendly as well. You can also use your hand to snip off the green beans as well, and you can even break them up. Yes, you don't have to use a scissors or a knife, and this is my favorite way of doing it. Please comment down below and let me know how you snip off your green beans. Do you cut them or do you just break them up like what I'm doing? My green beans is all done cutting up. I went ahead to rinse the green beans and now over to the boiling water. I'll be steaming or blanching the green beans in this boiling water for about 6 to 7 minutes until bright green or crisp tender. It's been 6 minutes. I'll drain the green beans immediately and rinse them with cold water to stop the cooking process, and then I'll set that on the side. I'll begin to slice my mushrooms. Guys, do you wash your mushrooms or do you wipe them clean? I just can't wipe them clean because I worry about all those people that might have touched the mushrooms. So I like washing my mushrooms before using it for a recipe. Please comment down below and let me know, do you wash or do you just wipe your mushrooms before using it for a recipe? I'll mince my garlic and then I'll slice my onions. I'll strip off the thyme leaves from the thyme stem. Let's begin making the green beans and mushrooms. I've heated my skillet over medium-high heat. I'll add in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I'll add in my onion. I'll give it a stir, and then I'll come in with my garlic, mix that in as well. I'll leave it on for about a minute, and then my mushrooms comes in. I'll add in my herbs, which is my rosemary and my fresh thyme, and then I'll mix everything in together. I'll saute this for about 5 minutes, and then I will add in my green beans. I'll season with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and then I'll mix everything in together. I'll leave it on for about 2 minutes, and then my green beans is ready to be served, guys. I'll then transfer it into a casserole dish. This is a very delicious side dish, and green beans are most vibrant when served fresh, but they do reheat well. And this side dish is perfect for Thanksgiving dinner. Very simple, easy, and healthy recipe. I hope you give this a try, and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. We enjoyed ours with roasted chicken, and dinner is served. Thank you so much for watching and staying until this time. If you're a new subscriber, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you. And to my returning subscribers, thank you. God bless you. Please kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Like and comment and turn on your post notification so anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified. Thank you. God bless you. And please stay safe. Bye, guys.